Alright, Jeff Savani, my good buddy Jeff Savani at Pepper Contracting called me out for the ice bucket challenge. Now this might be what he calls a bucket, but here at Flagler Construction Equipment, this is what we call a bucket, right here. That bucket right there, full of ice water, is going over my head. I'm going to call out 3 people, 3 of my brothers on Facebook. First one, Jeff Cottrell, love you. Second one, Bobby Stevens. Third one, Brian Jensen. You guys have 24 hours to complete the ice bucket challenge or donate $100 to ALS. Here goes. Brian, Bobby, you got 24 hours, baby. Woo!